gloves on. Right boys, we're ready. Okay. Warm a couple of these bands. The nav looks like spaghetti. The nav looks like spaghetti. Look at it. Screen. .5 here, temperature, 1430 metre altitude. Spaghetti coming up, switch back. You're too jerky with that clutch around these switchbacks. Oh, look at that. Fast bike coming up. Is there? Good on him. We've got to get her in enduro mode. Enduro mode. Enduro activated. Now she'll wheelie. Just go careful up here. We've got a little bit of a straight as it gets just up here. Almost 1600, temperature's dropped 2 degrees in that little bit. Nice round the corner. Fantastic. corners in the world, the best scenery in the world, surely. there, right? Comms are dropped. Metres here already. Temperatures dropped to 14.5. Snow. Wow, incredible. Couple of ticks. Yeah. Somewhere else in it up here. Glove underneath the thing, isn't it? There we go, one way away. Rise here. Down to 13.5 and it's just coming up to 2,000 metres now. 1960 snow line. Woohoo! Nice Porsche. 1, 2. Good dinner. Look at that. Scenery is just like low mine territory, isn't it? Hoping I can get to the top or a layer on. It's a temp there, it's still 11, it's going to drop to about 0. That's 1, something like that. Still got plenty of grip on the roads. Rider B, not easy to get past this that. missed your paradise, didn't I? I think I've delivered. Down below those corners. I don't know, there it is. We're 2,200 metres here. What about Wheelies on? And well, they might have, yeah, they might have down to the other road. Yeah. If you've got road to road, I expect they have. You could get through. Can't see a way through though. There's some water down there, isn't it? It's a bit sketchy. It'd be rock hard as well when the sun gets on that stuff. Oh, it's really hard. You want to be in the north face really, where it's out of the sun, because the sun actually makes it hard, not slushy. Look at the spaghetti hoop on the sat nav now. 2,300. It's all snow work. Let's get a photo by that. For me, GoPro. Red light's still flashing, so hopefully it's still playing ball. Cool. Hang on. Get in it. Oh, he's gone. Yeah, Ross. Yeah, fantastic. 2,300 metres now. I still don't think feel I need to layer up, so that's a good thing. So lucky with the weather, aren't we? All right. A bit of footage, hopefully we've got it on camera. Red light's still flashing. Hopefully, in action. Oh, they're burning. look at the road down there. Look at that. Before we get knocked over by another car. M4, lovely. M4 comp. The top up there, by the look of it, we'll stop there, yeah. See it? 2,400 metres. Wow, look at those roads we just come up. I'm just going to get over here a minute. The house is on. Incredible. Oh, come on, mate. Grossglockner, 21 kilometres. What's this then? Like a viewpoint restaurant type of thing? Yeah, look down there. Look at the road down there. Woohoo! This is just a car park, yeah? Yeah. I mean, I don't know if you want to actually... You can go up there. Look where the bikes are there. You can go up that road. Yeah, follow me up. This is like a viewpoint at the top. Get on the pegs up here, innit? Look at this place, fair play too. I don't know why you'd want to do that really.